I'm Bo Dallenius, Technical Manager of Profoto. When we decided to develop a new generator to replace Pro 7, I really saw a challenge. It must be tougher, faster and more precise than anything else before.
Designing Pro 8, we started with the user interface. Every button and handle has a logical placement, making it very easy to use. With Pro 8, we are setting a new standard in terms of fast recycling. 50% faster than Pro 7 equals recharge times of less than 1 second, regardless of energy setting. Of course, we also had to improve the quality of light. Pro 8 has the best color stability and precision achievable. Look, listen and touch has been keywords in our design. We spent hundreds of hours just to get the right feel of every button, knob and handle.